I wouldn't say that fun and enjoyment is necessarily beneficial for spiritual practice. But spiritual practice should be fun and enjoyment. Anger actually means dissatisfaction. Anger itself is a dissatisfaction. When you start to feel dissatisfied about something else, then you get angry. And then the anger turns into depression. And then it turns into horrible things. We should never be angry. Money is great, as long as the life is understood. If you don't have money, you cannot live in this world, almost. You should not use it for destroying others and destroying yourself also. Nature is very important in terms of where we come from.
The animals, they are beings who are very kind to us. For instance, what we drink, what we eat, and what we wear. All these beautiful things are given by animals. Yet, we treat them very cruelly. It's very daring for us to be able to abuse them.
The wisdom that you have naturally is not recognized by you. The wisdom that has been given already primordially is not recognized by you. But generally speaking, the world has nothing wrong. It's perfect if we know how to look at it very correctly. I don't believe that you have to put that much effort to look for right relationship. Wisdom is always the first thing to be developed. And then the second thing is we have to develop the skill. How to share the wisdom that you have just developed. These two are the most important. If you don't have the skill to share the wisdom that you have been developing with others, it will never give you the complete form of enlightenment.